Well, hey now again, it's your girl PW giving you the know-how on the fashion how-to. And on today's show, we're going to talk about linen. Let me tell you a couple things about linen. Linen is made from the stalk of the flaxseed plant. Okay, the same that the plant you get your flax and all your nutritional factors. Linen, it's an awesome thing. Let me show you how to care for it. The thing about linen, the thicker it is, the more it's going to hold wrinkles. You see this? And so what you want to do is put your iron on the highest setting that it could go. Okay, now stay with me, the highest setting. But if you have white, make sure that your iron is nice and clean when you do it, because it will leave it on there because it's on the highest setting. And then you just want to iron straight over it and do what you do. When you wash linen, what you want to do is put it on a permanent press cycle. You want to let it get in there. You want the fibers to be beat around, but that's what causes the wrinkles. Immediately after, this is where we stay together. Immediately after, what you want to do is get some Downy wrinkle release or your fabric softener concoction, and you want to spray it. You see that? You want to spray it and you want to start wiping out those wrinkles while it's still damp, while it's still wet. We want to wipe out our wrinkles. Pop it in the dryer on I like a high heat for 20 minutes, but you can put it on a low heat for 40. So those are your options. High heat for 20, low heat for 40. As soon as it comes out, iron it, hang it up. Now, when you are going on vacation, okay, linen needs to be packed. And I don't know why everybody wants to bring linen on vacation, knowing daggone well nobody ever likes to iron on vacation. So what you want to do is get your tissue paper. My tricks work all the way around the board. Get your tissue paper, open it up, and fold with our tissue paper. Fold once, fold it in this way, fold it again. And you see it's not exactly pushing in. And you want this to kind of be on the top. You don't want this to be at the bottom. Or what you want to do is immediately hang your linens up. It's really simple, really quick, and really easy. But I promise you, it's linen. It's a, it's a fiber. It's lustrous. It's long. And the weft is different. So you're gonna have to iron it. So don't be upset. If you buy linen, know that you're gonna have to iron. If you hate to iron, take her to the cleaners. Go see my girl Susie. It's your girl PW signing off on How To.